Alright, these are the elevators here at the Novotel Monterrey Valle in San Pedro Garza Garcia. These are KONE EcoDisc. So the other one was down here, but it just left. And this one is broken. We're gonna get the middle one. So this hotel is connected next to the Ibis. So here we are, or here it is, I'm sorry. So just point this down, just in case. Wow, look at that. So we're gonna go up to 14. This cabin is just so beautiful, to be honest. It's a KONE MonoSpace installed in 2023. We're at 14. All right, now on the -2. There's the alarm sound sign. Lost to read. It's just your beautiful elevator. Hey, there's Big Brother. And here are the fixtures along with the indicator. This elevator is brand new. I think this hotel used to be renovated back then. These were originally another brand, but I don't know what they were. So yeah, here we're at -2, which is the parking level. All right. This one's on the 11th floor, so I think the numbers are all burned out. So yeah. Down here's the parking level, and here comes this one. I'm assuming that the first car is broken down, so I think we're not gonna ride it. Here it is now. All right. Gotta love these fixtures, to be honest. I think this hotel got a little bit of renovation. What I really like about the indicator is that it has many ads. This hotel seems to be pet friendly. Here at 14. Again, there's the floor guide right there. All right, now the PB, and we'll end it there. Door close does not work this time. Again, it's just such a beautiful KONE elevator. There's Big Brother. Hey, here are the fixtures on both sides along with the indicators. Wow, that indicator is so beautiful, to be honest. So here at PB, and we can look through here. Oh, sorry, my camera is losing the focus. All right, well, do you have it now? Sorry. There it goes, and that's it.